She's my sister. This is Raju. And this is Jaggu. And his name is Bheem. Remember I had spoken to you about Bheem?
Yes! Beam! Right. Do you want more like this? No, Dandu. My stomach is purple now. I cannot eat anymore. What's this? What's all this she is blabbering?
Good, good. On one hand, you lisp a lot, and on the other hand, you speak so fast.
Huh?
I have heard so many ice things from Tutki. From today, you're my best friend. Bheem, robbers have entered Chutki's house. Kut has come to call us. Time for you to show your strength and bravery.
Come on, come on.
Bheem, look over there. I can see 2 peacocks.
Robbers are inside the house and you're admiring those peacocks.
Taba!
Are you saying 2 birds or are you saying robbers?
No, Bheem! Not Taba! Taba! What are you saying, Taba? Taba! Taba's entered inside the house!
So this is Kut, Chutki's sister. Wow.
It's become quite dark now, but I think I should wait for a while. Just in case someone notices me carrying all these robbed goods, I can be in big trouble then.
Oh, I can see Tamashi Lal.
I'm feeling very tired.
Just stay calm, Kut. There is a bad man out there. And his name is Tamashi Lal. Bheem has caught him red-handed many a times.
Hey, what's this? These kids seem to be fighting like cats and mouse, huh?
Now do you realize this is all because of you and your sister insisting to cross through the forest?
Really? Is it my fault that... Kalia, look over there. We could get out through that. Kalia, because my sister is so tiny, only she can manage to get out.
But what will she tell everyone? And who will understand what she's trying to say?
I can't understand what she's saying. Shh!
That man was Tali. He taught all the Talia and Tutki and put them in the tape.
Good. Just tell me if I've understood what you are trying to say. You are trying to say that...
Yet, you understood Talatli.
Chutki is in trouble, guys. Let's go.
Tantun! Look there, Bheem. I can see Tutki.
Yes, I just saw.
Bheem, thank goodness you came.
How did this kid manage to come out? Bheem, nobody can save you today.
Stop right here, Tamashi Lal. The soldiers will come and take you away.
By the way, looking at your condition, doesn't look like you can move.
Do you realize, Kalia, the same Kut you were making fun of actually saved your life today?
Yes, none of us were...
Stay alert!
If I go back, my shadow also.
What happened? What were those strange sounds?
Bheem, look! Whatever it is scared of mirrors.
Oh my, it has fallen into this driveway. No.
In fact, I believe that ghosts do not exist in the world. Meow! There is an old castle at the top of the mountain. Ghosts live there. So come on, guys, let's find out. The rain is not going to stop me. I'm sure some people will think that this rain and storm is because of the same ghosts. But no storm can stop me today from getting to the bottom of this mystery. Nothing can stop me today. Huh? Oh, ghosts! Where are you?
Right behind you. Hello. Have you ever come across twin ghosts?
When there are no ghosts, there cannot be any twin ghosts.
We will turn him into a little cat.
Listen, please. How about putting me down instead? Good idea, no? I don't want to be a ghost.
I said ghost, and I said cat. Ghost, cat, ghost, cat, ghost.
Don't be disheartened. We'll find a solution for this. To turn you back into a human, all we need from you is the address of that castle.
Yes!
A new style to trouble pesky children.
Bhim, Laddu!
Both of you hide quickly.
Saw that? You kept talking and the children ran away.
I was just trying to swat a fly.
Let's turn him into a ghost like us. Not at all, Kali. We will change him into a monkey. I said ghost. A monkey will be funnier to play with. Ghost. Monkey.
Oh, help! What's happening to me? I am a ghost.
To keep fighting with each other, let's make them fight more so that we can win against them one by one.
So tell me, which of you is better at everything?
I am. No, I am. You are my twin, and that's why I tolerate you. Otherwise? Huh? Otherwise what? Go away from here, or I won't spare you. Yeah, right.
Now for step 2. You remember how much the mirror scared the ghost cat?
Yes, after becoming a ghost, even I'm feeling scared of mirrors, Chutki. If a ghost touches one, then it will get trapped inside it.
We need a mirror as big as a wall. In the dark, it will seem like a twin is visible in the mirror.
I can't touch any mirror, but I can pick up Dholu Bolu anytime.
Yes, I know that you're a bot. You don't have any new ideas. That's why you imitate me. Huh? Okay, so get ready for a clash. A mirror? I am Kale, my brother. Lal, my brother.
First, you will have to do what we tell you to.
Yes, tell me.
1. Turn the ghost cat back into a human.
Oh, okay. Yay!
2. Turn the ghost monkey back into Kalia now.
Oh, okay.
One more condition, that you two ghost brothers never trouble people again.
Forever, we promise. Brother. My dear brother.
Once we cross those mountains, we reach the border of our Iga province.
The mountain wind is quite chilly.
Listen to that.
What's the matter, Bhim?
Sounds like some small animal is crying.
A fawn of a Sitka deer.
Let's go.
Oh no! Poor thing got stuck in vines.
Just hold on, Chutki.
Why, Bhim?
Something is not right. Looks as if someone is out there.
Huh? A wild bear.
Dare you even think of touching her?
Huh?
attack him from two sides. Or else it may injure either one of us. Sam, those wild vines. We can tie him up with those. Now we just need to distract him.
Let me do that. Hey, you fatso, come here.
Wow, Bholu, our boss is not as coward as we think.
Yes, he is calling the bear towards himself.
Look over here. These two are calling you back. It's not so scary, you see.
Yes, no wonder you pushed us ahead and went and hid behind the bushes yourself.
Bheem, I don't want all of you to travel under such stress anymore. I know there's a cave nearby. We can spend the rest of the night there.
Please wait. Gabby Goat is who I always sleep in the jungle. Who is this singing in the jungle? Who could it be? Did you like it? It was me singing. What? Yeah, I am new in this jungle. I'm Gabby Goat is who I am. Always singing, dancing, I am. Joy and frolic, my friends. Live in the jungle, they all live. Oh, you're so cute. If Jaggu gets to meet you, he'll be very happy. Will you come with me? Raju, if you didn't go to Jaggu's house, then where did you go? I was on my way to Jaggu's house when... A goat that can talk?
I will go and look for her.
Why will you look for her? She's my friend, okay?
So what, Raju? Even I will make friends with her. But where has that goat disappeared?
Come on, let's find her.
Everyone, old and young, one and all. Any one of you ever imagined in your life that you would see a talking goat one day? Yes, you can. Today at the theater. Come to watch Gabby Goat for sure. Come for sure. Come for sure.
Gabby Goat on show at the Dholakpur Theatre? This man was going on as if the goat belonged to him. Something isn't right about this.
Only that goat can tell us what's right or wrong. Come on.
Now come on. Eat this quickly. We have to go soon for the show. Hurry up.
I want to go back to the jungle.
You will never go back to the jungle, okay? Never! Make me rich! Rich!
Don't be scared, Gabby Goat.
I've already thought of a solution.
Come, villagers of Dholakpur, a very warm welcome. I present to you something unique from the jungle, a miracle. Gabby Goat. Come here. Now tell me, who is more intelligent, you or me? Tell me.
Me?
No, I just said it's me.
Will she go on doing me? You told us that you will show us a miracle. Where is it?
Yes. Oh, yes. Now, friends, this goat will sing for you and dance as well. Hey, what are you doing? Let me go!
Hey, this is just an ordinary goat. It is not a talking or a dancing goat.
is an ordinary goat. We will not trouble the poor thing anymore.
According to me, the people of Samriddhi city love watching good plays. I think you should do a nice play for them.
It's a brilliant suggestion. Kids, you should trust me. You are going to enjoy this play very much.
So many people. I'm actually feeling very nervous.
No need to worry, my dear. This will be the best play that Samriddhi city has ever seen in their life. It will be so emotional that people won't be able to hold their tears. Come on. Welcome to P2's amazing stage. Today the brave army of Dholakpur will enact for you a world war between King Bhimas and King Dholas the Great.
I'm Kalia the Great. I can't be a soldier. I should be the king. Hey!
Kalia, what are you trying to do?
Oh no! Get ready to fight with me, Raja Dholas.
Listen, we have to make them cry. We don't have to make them laugh. Come on, start the war.
Get ready for attack!
I got hurt. I accept my defeat, brave warrior. Please do not drop me again.
This is such a fantastic play. Wow, so much fun.
It's so funny. My tummy is hurting.
I must say, the kids of Dholakpur are brilliant actors.
We wanted the audience to cry for us, but all of them are laughing like crazy little kids.
It doesn't matter. I think people loved our play.
And I guess they also loved us. Your wonderful idea worked, P2.
Oh yes, my idea did work. The audience loved each and everyone's performance.